Right, this is how to score the perfect free kick, volume 3. Right, I'm going to score the perfect free kick. Run up and everything, I'll explain that later. Just a couple of little quick shots, just show you how to do it. Swan. Right. Oh, that's 2. Right. Basically, to get a perfect free kick, like we said in the last 2 volumes, the boots and the ball. If you watch our first 2 volumes, you know what we're on about. So let's have a look. Tiptoes. Right, 5, 6 steps. Remember to hop. Stop your follow through third there. Oh, the thing I do is go. So, talk to you there. You go through. Running shot. Basically, you touch in front of you and shoot. By the way, man, shower, make it. Like, get it on the sweet spot, which is the valve. When I kick it, I do a bit of hop. Oh! So I can never trust local pitches. Dodgy little bounce. Any other game you would have caught that? What? That's what I say. Oh! No chance of him even getting to that ball. Spinning, bottom corner. If that touches his hand, it reflects. Touches his hand anywhere near, it reflects and bounces over. Spinning in a 360-degree motion. And it's very rare I can do them shots. But maybe you people at home can do these. No, as I can say, tiny bit dramatic. See, if I was in goal, then I would just step to the side and grabbed it. It ain't about diving. So just scoring your goal at whatever time you need it. This shot, as soon as it gets to me, I'm going to kick it to touch. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm going to try that. Better touch and that would have gone in. Touch. Oh my god. I wish you could have seen that, mate. That was a class shot. I'm going to try and do it again. Mate, that's the best shot I've ever done. I volley. Down there. Yeah, no, volley. Kneed it, chested it, headed it, came up in the air. Swang. On the floor, got it. I'm going to try and do it again. But this time here. So all you guys can see. Yeah. You're on the floor. Wait. Can't seem to do it today. It's all about concentration. That out. We're gonna have five more shots. Mate, 5 more. We're gonna have 5 more shots. Don't know if you heard, Dan, told you. And then we're gonna switch. Mate, 5 more. 5 more. Right. Bye. Right, change your little plans. I'm going in for the rest of this. He's going in for the rest of this volume, so yeah. Get a bit more of me. I don't even know what I did then. Tried to be a bit of a show off. Kick it with this side of my foot so it curls. But I just fucking scuffed it and kicked it straight. Could have one more try at that. Yeah. Try kicking it with the outside. Didn't work though. I know, I'm going to have one more try. I'm going to have one more try. Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking scuffed it. What? And that's it. Thanks.